Hey guys, welcome back. Again, my name is Agatha Achindu. I am a certified integrative nutritionist. Today, we are making a delightful cauliflower waffles. And I've made different variations of this. But one of the things I get asked often, since people know we are a cereal-free home, is healthy breakfast option for the whole family. This here is another one, and it doesn't have to be for breakfast. You can have this for dinner, for lunch, but it's savory, so fantastic. And I am starting with 2 cups of riced purple cauliflower. And again, you can just tell your kids you're having purple waffles. So 2 cups, and you can see it's riced. I'm giving you the quantity for a small batch, and you can double it to do what I'm doing today. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of, actually 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. I love thyme, not just for the taste, but for the amazing superfood that thyme is. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, 1/4 of a cup of cheese, and you can use sharp cheddar cheese or any good quality cheese that you like at home, and 1/4 of a cup of whole wheat flour or gluten-free oat flour, and 4 eggs. So I am going to start by adding my riced cauliflower, and you can look at my food processor. I actually riced the cauliflower and measure it so I can give you guys the right measurement. But let's put this in. And I am going to add in 4 eggs. That's whisk. We use pastured organic, pasture-raised eggs. And there is a huge difference between pastured and free range, if this is something that you care about. And my 1/4 of a cup of cheese, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, fresh ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of a cup of whole wheat flour. I am using 100% whole wheat flour, the pastry wheat flour. Look at that beautiful color. You honestly don't have to tell anybody that this is healthy. It's just going to taste so good. And if you and your family love your food really salty, you can taste it at this point before you cook the waffle to just make sure that it's seasoned to taste. I am going to pour this over, and you can see, and then we will be ready to cook our waffle. So we are cooking the waffles, and you can see the amazing, look at the hue. And you are just going to cook this depending on what waffle maker that you have at home. Just follow the direction. So I am oiling my waffle iron. And I am using 1/4 of a cup. I'm going to use 2, so about half a cup. And then very gently spread it, because this waffle, you can see the waffles that I make, it's big. It's not your small waffle, but you would cook your waffle according to the direction provided by the waffle maker. So while this is cooking, which is going to take, it might be a minute, it might be 2 to 3 minutes, let's talk about this waffle, all the wonderful ingredients that's in there. Because my hope for you is that you can eat healthy without it being like a chore, something stressful for you and or your family. Little changes here and there goes a long way. If your kids love waffles, it's not that they can never eat waffles. You can mix it up, regular waffles with 100% whole wheat flour, or veggie infused waffles like this. You can see, I mean, it's a bit hot, but right, you just tell the kids, today we're having purple waffles, and there is the yellow cauliflower. I think I already shared a recipe that I made with that. It looks so vibrant in color. It's almost like a cheese waffle, right? But it's cauliflower. So everybody is having fun while gaining health. Healthy food doesn't have to be boring, doesn't have to be bland, doesn't have to be tasteless. It can be just as delicious. And again, in here we have purple cauliflower, we have onion, we have garlic, we have thyme, we have baking powder, we have a bit of salt, a bit of black pepper, and you can eat this. Waffle maker is calling. Let's see. Ta-da. Yeah. This, oh my goodness. Very hot. But you see, and I am going to finish making the rest with this big waffle iron. We are going to have 5 waffles, and again, depending on the size of your waffle maker, you can have more or less. And here we have our final product. Hope you try this at home with the kids or with the adults, and let me know in the comment how much you love it. Again, these videos are being made by my youngest, who is 15, and some days he's excited to make the videos and some days he doesn't want to help. So don't forget to say thank you to him. His name is Jared Zane. Thank you. Bon appetit.